you see Israeli soldiers jumping out of helicopters onto the boats shooting. There's no crossfire. Had there been crossfire at close range, some Israeli soldier would have been shot. It doesn't make sense. Also, there was an 18-month-old baby on board. The organizers would not have permitted a baby on board if there was any expectation of violence. Yes, we were planning on having a confrontation.
The Israelis would say
but
that if you were serious
it was supposed to be a
non-violent
confrontation.
Why did you not give the aid to the Israelis and allow them to distribute it?
Because they don't distribute reconstruction aid. What they bring in, and they bring in, according to the UN, in a report just released, I think, 2 days ago, what they allow in, this 15, is about the tonnage that they allow in per week is about 1/4 of what is needed in Gaza. But more than that, we were bringing in reconstruction aid. We were bringing in cement, prefabricated houses, water purification systems. Israel does not allow this in. So the 5% of Gaza today looks like it did after the Israeli attack in December of 2008.